Today we are going to review how to customize the email footer with the List Marketer software. Starting here on the Create New Campaign page, we already have some sample text and HTML code loaded. When we preview our campaign, you will notice that there is a footer at the bottom of the page that is not part of the code. The text version we see, "To stop receiving emails, click here," and a masked URL. In the HTML version, we see the same text with a clickable macro. Anyone who clicks this link will be automatically unsubscribed. By default, this is the footer that will apply to all List Marketer servers. However, CAN-SPAM, which is the law in the US governing email marketing, also requires a valid physical postal address. We suggest you add that to the footer along with the unsubscribed link. To do that, start by saving this campaign we've been editing and navigate away from the Create New Campaign page. To edit the footer, go to Settings, Customize Email Footer. From here, you will see the default footer that is being applied at the bottom of the screen. It is recommended to copy out both the text and HTML variants and paste them in the box above. You will notice that both contain Removal URL. This is the macro that will add a one-click unsubscribe link. When any subscriber clicks this, they will be automatically marked as unsubscribed, and they will not be mailed again from that list. Now that we have this basic text and HTML, I recommended that we add the valid postal address here. Copy and paste in the address. You can also change this text. For example, if you wanted to say unsubscribe really big, you can edit it to say that, or include anything else you need to include here, such as social media. On the HTML, you can add any valid HTML code. You can format, center, or add color to your text. I'm going to paste in some code that adds a little bit of formatting, but it still includes the one-click unsubscribe link, as well as a valid postal address. Once you have both text and HTML variants looking like you want the subscribers to see, you can select one of two things. Save. We'll save and set the footer for the current mailing list, which is set at the top right of the screen. In this case, this is the footer list. You can also select Set for all mailing lists and set as default. This will make this a new default footer for all current mailing lists, as well as any future mailing lists. I'm going to select that option for today. Once the footer is saved, we can go ahead and navigate back to Campaigns, Manage Campaigns dashboard, so we can continue editing our campaign. Click on the campaign label to get back to the original campaign we were looking at. Now, when we preview the campaign, we should see the updated footers. Here in our text version, we can see it says unsubscribe. It also includes the address. In the HTML version, it also includes formatting and color as well. We do not require the unsubscribed link or postal address to be in the footer. You can include either of these in the body and code of your message. However, we do require them to be somewhere in the email. We do run periodic AUP checks to look for missing postal addresses or unsubscribe links, and we will write to you and potentially shut down the account if we find that. Thanks for watching.